Human African trypanosomiasis once decimated Africa. In the early 20th century, more than 1 million deaths occurred in the Congo alone. In one outbreak around Lake Victoria, 200,000 out of a total population of 300,000 people died within a span of 8 years. Currently, about 55 million people are living at risk for the disease, resulting in approximately 30,000 cases annually. This map illustrates that almost the entire African continent is affected by African sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness is transmitted by the tsetse fly. T. brucei gambiense is spread by the Glossina palpalis species found along the rivers of West Africa, while T. brucei rhodesiense is propagated by the Glossina morsitans species inhabiting the woodlands, bush, and thickets of East Africa. The main reservoir also differs between the two trypanosomal subspecies. T. brucei gambiense primarily afflicts humans, whereas T. brucei rhodesiense predominantly infects wild game animals and is a relatively new disease of humans. Human African trypanosomiasis begins when trypomastogotes enter the circulation of its human host during a blood meal by an infected tsetse fly. Once inside, they are carried to sites throughout the body and multiply within various body fluids, namely the lymphatics and cerebrospinal fluid. In turn, uninfected tsetse flies become vectors when they ingest trypomastogotes during a blood meal of an infected human host. The parasites then multiply within the midgut of the tsetse fly before migrating to the salivary glands, where they can be introduced into the next host.